Welcome back to Aesthetic Bites Qritee. Winter is here and for us South Indians, comforting food means rasam and rice. It's so easy to make, the aroma fills the home. Today we are making drumstick rasam. Let's dive in. Take a mortar or a jar, add 1 spoon of cumin, 1 spoon of black peppercorns, a few curry leaves, 2 green chilies, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, crush it coarsely. Don't make it a paste. You can see on the screen the texture we need, a coarsely grinded. Now take a drumstick and peel it. In a cooker, add a handful of Toor Dal, 2 tomatoes, the chopped drumstick and 1 glass of water. Cook for 3 whistles. It cools down, gently crush everything together so that the dal, tomato and drumstick blend nicely. This helps releases all the flavor into the rasam. Then transfer the crushed pulp into a sieve so you get the pure pulp without any fibrous part. You can see the fibrous bits left in the sieve and a smooth pulp is ready for the rasam. In a pan, heat 1½ spoon of ghee. Now add mustard seed, cumin seeds, curry leaves and a dry chilies. Then add all the crushed spices and fry till the spices releases the full flavor. Now add a pinch of hing, asafoetida. At this stage, the whole kitchen is filled with warm, comforting aroma. It's simple, but there is something so soothing about it. Finally, add the strained pulp, bit of salt according to your taste, turmeric powder, tamarind extract. Mix it well and let it simmer. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Do give it a try. And tell me below the comments, are you also a person who finds a comfort in rasam like me? Now add chopped coriander on the top. And now your drumstick rasam is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.